Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT in 2025. If you're holding USDT, Tether's stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, you know how crucial it is to move your funds securely, especially with the evolving crypto landscape. By 2025, regulations and platform updates might make things even smoother, but the core process remains straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, what is USDT? It's a stablecoin designed to maintain a one-to-one value with the USD, making it perfect for transactions without wild price swings. Now, to withdraw USDT, start by choosing a reputable exchange or wallet like Binance, Coinbase, or a hardware wallet for extra security. In 2025, you might see more integrated AI tools for fraud detection, so keep an eye out for those features. Step 1. Log into your account and ensure it's fully verified. Most platforms require KYC, know your customer, to comply with new global regulations. Think identity checks and two-factor authentication. This is non-negotiable for safety. Step 2. Head to the withdrawal section. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option in your dashboard. Select USDT as the asset, then choose your destination, whether it's another wallet or bank account. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the recipient's address, the amount you want to withdraw, and any network fees. Remember, in 2025, blockchain networks like Tron or Ethereum might have optimized fees, so double-check for the lowest costs. Step 4. Review and confirm. Always double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once confirmed, you'll get a transaction ID. Wait for it to process, which could take minutes to hours depending on the network congestion. Finally, a few pro tips. Use hardware wallets for large amounts, stay updated on 2025's tax rules, and never share your private keys. Withdrawing USDT is safer than ever, but always prioritize security. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to withdraw USDT like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.